Hey everyone, it's travel time again. And listen, I'm fired up for this one because today we're diving deep, I'm talking deep, into the top 5 islands in Southeast Asia that should be at the very top of your travel bucket list. We're talking paradise-found stunning beaches, turquoise water, adventures you won't find anywhere else, and cultures so rich and vibrant they'll leave you speechless. Buckle up, because if you're anything like me, this video is going to give you a serious case of wanderlust. Let's do this! First up, we're hitting up Bali, Indonesia. This place is legendary, and for good reason. Picture this. You wake up to the sound of waves crashing on the shore, the air is warm and humid, and you're surrounded by lush green rice paddies. That's Bali in a nutshell. Now if you're a surfer, Bali is basically Mecca. The waves here are world-class, from the mellow breaks of Kuta to the challenging reefs of Uluwatu. But even if you're not a pro, or even if you've never set foot on a surfboard, there's something for everyone in Bali. You can spend your days exploring ancient temples like Uluwatu Temple, perched dramatically on a cliff overlooking the ocean. Or check out Tanah Lot Temple, another iconic spot where the temple seems to magically float on water during high tide. And the culture, don't even get me started. Bali is bursting with vibrant traditions, from the intricate offerings you'll see everywhere to the colourful ceremonies and dances. Make sure to catch a traditional Balinese dance performance. The costumes, the music, the movement, it's absolutely mesmerising. And after a long day of exploring, get ready to experience the nightlife. Kuta is known for its wild parties, but if you're looking for something a little more laid back, Seminyak and Canggu have got you covered with cool beach clubs and bars with live music. But honestly, one of the best things about Bali is just how much there is to see. Rent a scooter and get lost in the rice paddies, explore hidden waterfalls, hike up Mount Batur for an epic sunrise. The possibilities are endless. Trust me, Bali will leave you breathless. Next up, we're heading to Phuket, Thailand, the largest island in Thailand and a true gem of the Andaman Sea. This place has it all: bustling markets, pristine beaches, crazy nightlife, and enough natural beauty to make your jaw drop. Let's talk beaches, because Phuket's got some stunners. Patong Beach is the most famous, and it's where you go for that classic beach party vibe. But if you're looking for something a little more chill, head south to Kata Noi, or Karen Beach. And for those who want to escape the crowds, there are tons of secluded coves and islands just a short boat ride away. One thing you absolutely can't miss in Phuket is the Big Buddha. This massive, 45-meter tall statue sits on top of Naked Hills, offering breathtaking panoramic views of the island. Trust me, the pictures don't do it justice. And speaking of breathtaking views, a trip to Phuket wouldn't be complete without a visit to Phang Nga Bay. This stunning bay is dotted with towering limestone cliffs that rise straight out of the emerald green water. It's like something out of a movie, and it's the perfect place to hop on a longtail boat and explore the hidden lagoons and caves. Phuket is also a foodie's paradise. From street food vendors whipping up delicious pad thai and fresh seafood to high-end restaurants serving up gourmet Thai cuisine, your taste buds are in for a treat. And when the sun goes down, Phuket comes alive. Bangla Road in Patong is the heart of the action, with its neon lights, go-go bars and clubs blasting music until late. But if you're looking for something a little more low-key, there are plenty of bars and restaurants with live music and a more relaxed vibe. Get ready to be blown away, because we're heading to Palawan, the Philippines, often called the last frontier, and for good reason. This place is like stepping back in time. Think pristine beaches, crystal clear waters, lush jungles, and towering limestone cliffs. It's no wonder Palawan consistently ranks among the most beautiful islands in the world. Let's start with El Nido, a slice of paradise on the northern tip of Palawan. Imagine turquoise lagoons, hidden beaches accessible only by boat, and towering limestone cliffs covered in lush vegetation. It's the kind of place that makes you question if it's even real. One of the must-do experiences in El Nido is island hopping. Rent a boat for the day and explore hidden lagoons like the Big Lagoon and Small Lagoon, snorkel in crystal clear waters teeming with marine life, and soak up the sun on pristine beaches like Seven Commandos Beach and Hidden Beach. But El Nido is just the tip of the iceberg when it comes to Palawan. Head south to Coron, another stunning destination known for its incredible diving and snorkeling. Explore the haunting beauty of Kayangan Lake, swim in the Twin Lagoons, and dive the world-famous shipwrecks from World War II. And if you're looking for a truly unique adventure, head to Puerto Princesa Subterranean River National Park, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Here you can hop on a boat and explore an underground river that winds its way through stunning cave formations. It's an experience you won't forget. But honestly, one of the best things about Palawan is how untouched it still feels. This is a place where you can truly escape the crowds and reconnect with nature. So pack your bags, grab your sense of adventure, and get ready to experience the magic of Palawan. Alright, let's jump over to Malaysia because we're about to explore Langkawi, an archipelago of 99 islands in the Andaman Sea. This place is a true tropical paradise, with lush rainforests, pristine beaches, clear blue waters, and a laid-back vibe that's impossible not to fall in love with. One of the coolest things about Langkawi is its natural beauty. We're talking about dense rainforests, cascading waterfalls, and stunning beaches. Take a cable car up to the Langkawi Sky Bridge, a 125-meter-long curved pedestrian bridge that offers jaw-dropping panoramic views of the islands and the sea. For all you nature lovers, Langkawi is home to a UNESCO Global Geopark, which means you can spend your days exploring ancient mangroves, kayaking through limestone caves, and spotting wildlife in the rainforest. Keep an eye out for monkeys, monitor lizards, and if you're lucky, even flying foxes. And don't even get me started on the beaches. Pantai Tinang is the most popular, with its soft white sand, clear waters, and plenty of restaurants and bars. But if you're looking for something a little more off the beaten path, head to Tanjung Ru, a secluded beach with powdery sand and crystal clear water. Langkawi is also a great place to experience Malaysian culture. Visit the Masuri's tomb, learn about the legend of the beautiful princess who was wrongly accused of adultery, and check out the intricate architecture of the Al-Hana Mosque. And when it comes to food, Langkawi won't disappoint. From street food stalls serving up delicious Malay curries to seafood restaurants with ocean views, your taste buds are in for a treat. Make sure to try laksa, a spicy noodle soup that's a local favorite. We now continue our journey by returning to the Philippines. Yes, we're back for more, with Boracay. This island is famous for its powdery white sand beaches, crystal clear waters, and vibrant nightlife. It's no wonder Boracay is a favorite destination for beach bums, party animals, and everyone in between. Let's talk about the main attraction, White Beach. This 4-kilometer stretch of paradise is what Boracay is all about. The sand is so fine and white it feels like you're walking on powdered sugar, and the water is so clear and blue it looks like a postcard. Spend your days swimming, sunbathing, working on your tan, or just relaxing under the palm trees with a fresh coconut. But Boracay is not just about relaxing on the beach, although let's be real, that's a big part of it. If you're feeling adventurous, there's plenty to keep you busy. Try your hand at kite surfing, go scuba diving or snorkeling, or rent a kayak and explore the nearby islands. And when the sun goes down, Boracay transforms into a party paradise. White Beach comes alive with fire dancers, live music, and beach bars pumping out tunes late into the night. Whether you're looking for a wild night out or a more chilled vibe, Boracay has something for everyone. But it's not all about the parties. Boracay also has a more laid-back side. Head to Diniwid Beach for a more secluded vibe, take a boat trip to nearby Malapascua Island for some world-class diving, or explore the island's interior and discover hidden waterfalls and caves. And when it comes to food, Boracay has something to satisfy every craving. From fresh seafood restaurants with ocean views to street food stalls selling delicious Filipino dishes, you're in for a culinary treat. Hey everyone, check out the great travel links below. You can find everything from resorts and hotels to car hire and travel insurance, plus lots more travel-related deals. I hope you find them useful. So, there you have it, 5 incredible islands in Southeast Asia, each with its own unique personality and charm. Whether you're looking for adventure, relaxation, culture, or just a chance to escape to paradise, these islands have something for everyone. Honestly, I'm already planning my next trip back. Which island are you adding to your bucket list? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more travel inspiration. See you in the next adventure.